Here, for example, I have my last video covering everything in Final Cut 10.8 that is almost 51.5 minutes long. To transcribe this, there are multiple places where you can find the command. You simply select Video with Audio or just an audio clip, and either look in the Edit menu where it has been added to the Captions submenu, or look in the Enhancement menu under the Viewer, or simply right-click the clip in the timeline, and towards the bottom of the Context menu, we see the new Transcribe to Captions command as well, with the shortcut Shift-Command-C. And again, as I've said before, if you're using a custom keyboard layout, you will not see this or any other of the new shortcuts by default. I simply select it, and Final Cut immediately starts transcribing. By the way, the very first time you use this, Final Cut Pro first downloads the language model and then creates the captions. Only once, and obviously an internet connection is required. I have not sped this up, by the way. This is the actual speed of the transcription. In other words, Final Cut transcribes this 51.5-minute clip that has nearly continuous speaking in it in barely over 30 seconds. Whereby the majority of that time is spent creating the captions, since the transcription is literally already done by the time the progress bar gets to the end. So technically, it only took about 10 to 15 seconds, but I'll stick with the roughly 31 seconds since I can't say for sure. Pretty amazing, and of course, all this happens on device, so there is no uploading of your clip or audio to the cloud or anywhere else. Once finished, I can skim through the clip to admire my new captions, which by default are in the ITT format. But if you want CEA 608 captions for embedding into your clip, or even SRT captions instead for exporting to YouTube, for example, you can select them all, right-click one of them, go to Assign Caption Roles and Edit Roles, then add whichever format you prefer, click Apply, and now you can right-click your captions again and assign them to your preferred format.